Okay, hi. This is the A1 Sports Club question homework. So now I'm going to do the answer. Please check your answer here. A1 Sports Club was formed some years ago. The club has 100 members. The annual subscription is 70,000. So each members will pay $70 each year. A few years ago, the club borrowed $3,000 from a member for 3% per annum interest. So the interest will be 3%. In addition to providing sporting facilities, the club also has a cafe for members. All supplies for the cafe purchased on credit terms, and all sales are cash. So we have only cash sales and credit purchases only. The following information available for the year ended 30th April 2017, 1st May 2016. These are the opening balance. All these are my balance BD. And after that, the question gave me receipt and payment. All these are my receipt and payment. And here they didn't give me cash sales. It's okay. We will calculate later. And then 30th April 2017. This is your balance CD. This is your balance CD. So the question given me balance BD, money in, money out, and also balance CD. So first thing, the question asked me to calculate. Prepare receipt and payment account for the year ended 30th April 2017. Insert figure for receipt for cash sales. So the balancing of this account, we will balance up this account and get the balancing figure will be your cafe sales. That's one will be your cafe sales. Okay, and of course, balance up and bring down to the next year. Okay, first, I'm going to highlight all the information that related to receipt and payment. Okay, what are the things will go to the receipt and payment? Money in, money out. These are the things will go to the receipt and payment account. Okay, first one, I have a bank overdraft. This one also will go to the balance as a balance BD under the receipt and payment account. And subscription, okay, regardless that subscription for which year, regardless that particular subscription for which year, but if you receive during this year, we will include inside the receipt and payment. So this one, and this one, we will total up these three and write as a subscription under the receipt and payment. Okay, whenever we do the receipt and payment, we don't care it is accrued or prepaid. We just take all the money that we receive, we will record inside the receipt and payment. Okay, remember these are all the regardless for 2016 or 17 or 18, don't care for which year. If you receive during this year, we just record inside the receipt and payment. And of course, we need to write the cafe sales, but I don't know how much the cafe sales. Let it be. And then payment, yes, we will record. Rates, we record. General expenses, we record. Cafe wages, we record. Loan interest and repayment of the half of the loan. So it means inside this 1590, there are two things. Inside this 1590, there are two things. Okay, one is the loan interest, another one is the loan. So now we need to decide how much is the loan, how much is the interest. We must separate. Whenever we record in a receipt and payment, we need to separate it out. How much is the loan, how much is the interest. So they say half of the loan, that's your key point, half of the loan. So can you check how much the loan that we receive? The loan that we receive is 3,000. The loan that we receive is 3,000. Out of the 3,000, they say half of the loan is paid. So how much the loan? The loan is 1,500. 1,500. So the balance is 90. That 90 will be your interest that we already paid. Okay, now? So whenever you read in a record in the receipt and payment account, we need to write a loan, how much, interest, how much. Separate them. Okay, and also yes, purchases of new Acumen will go, proceeds also will go, and of course the balance CD. The question already give you the balance CD. So all the yellow color things will go to the receipt and payment. But you need to decide, you receive the money or you pay the money. If you receive the money, that one will be in a debit side. If you pay the money, it will be in a credit side. And this question is very nice. They already record balance BD for me, 3180. From where they get 3180? From the balance BD here. See? Okay, they already write for you. Okay, now I'm going to record the receipt and payment for the year. The first thing that I can see is subscription. So this subscription, total up. We need to total up first. Can you calculate first? 560 plus 6300 plus 280. I get 7140. This one is receive. If you receive means it will be in a debit side. So I go here. I write 2016. April, last day of the month, April 30, 7140 is my subscription. Balance BD will be the first day. Balance CD will be the last day. I'm sorry, the last day will be 2017. We follow this date. Okay, and here also 2017, April 30, April 30. After that, we check, do you have any other income? Oh, sorry, any other receipt or payment? Yes, I have a sales, but I don't know how much the sales, but it's okay. You just write the cafe sales and leave it empty. Later, we will calculate the answer, leave it empty. Next one, payment to the cafe supplier. Payment to the cafe supplier will be the credit side because we pay money, right? 3796. So I go here, I write 3796. That one will be my cafe supplier. Next one is rates of club premises, rates. And also we do the rates first. Rates will be we pay means will be in a credit side. So I go credit side, I write 960, I write here rates. Okay, next one, I have general expenses. General expenses 910. Also, we will pay the general expenses. So credit side 910, right here. General expenses. After that, we have cafe wages. Cafe wages also we will pay the cafe wages. So will be credit side 1040 right here, cafe wages. After that, loan interest and repayment, half of the loan. So can I write the 1590? Cannot. You cannot write the 1590. You need to split into how much is the loan, how much the interest. Both we will pay, but it will be split into the how much the loan, how much the interest. It will be in a credit side. I write here 1590. The 1500 is the loan. You write here loan. And then the next one, the 90 will be your loan interest. You need to separate them. Must separate. If not, you don't get the marks. Next one is purchases of new sports equipment. Yes, this one also will be in a credit side because we buy the equipment. So you write here 4,000. Right here 4,000. This one will be equipment. Or you can write sports equipment also. Next one is proceeds of the sale of the old sports equipment. So we receive 430, even though the value is 580, the book value is 580, but we receive 430. So we'll record the 430 in a debit side. Why debit? Because we receive the money. So you write your 430. You can write your equipment or you can write your proceed of sale equipment. Now, you see in the second line, I write here down here 430. Okay, after that, do you have anything else? Yes, the balance CD. Balance CD, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is your liability. Liability balance CD will be in a debit side. So I go debit side, I write balance CD 2626. Now I already input all the information that related to receipt and payment. We need to balance up. How to balance up? You just total up in the credit side. You will get a total of 15476. The same number right here, 15476. And then you minus with 2626, minus with 430, minus with 7140. The answer that you get, that's your cafe sales. That's your cafe sales. Are you done? No. If you got a balance CD, you must transfer to balance BD. If not, you will lose 1 mark. So right here, 2626. This one will be your balance BD 2017 May 1. Okay. This is how we prepare the receipt and payment account. Okay. The main purpose we are preparing this account for this question is to calculate how much is the cafe sales. How much is the cafe sales? Okay, next one. The question asked me to prepare B. Question B is prepare the income statement. Prepare the income statement, cafe income statement. So before I continue, I want to highlight all the information that related to cafe income statement. Normally, we will take from balance BD, balance CD, and also receipt and payment account. So let me go highlight all the information that related to cafe income statement in green color. First one, yes, amount owing to the supplier. Amount owing to the supplier. For this part, I don't want, you can highlight here also if you want, okay. Yes, payment to the supplier, this one, cafe wages, and also cafe sales. How much your cafe sales can be right here? 5280. Just now only we calculated. Cafe sales is 5280. 5280. Okay. And also I can see cafe inventory, opening and closing. So only this green thing, the green numbers, green amount that I highlight only will go to the cafe income statement. My cafe income statement will start with cafe sales 5280. So I go here, I write sales 5280. This one need to minus with cost of sales. The cost of sales will start with opening inventory. How much is my opening inventory? My opening inventory is 298. I go here, I write 298. This one need to plus with purchases. Do you have a purchases in this question? Yes, we have a purchases, but the question did not give me the purchases. But the question already tell me they have only credit purchases. They have only credit purchases. Do you remember what is the formula to get the credit purchases? How to calculate credit purchases? The credit purchases is payment to trade payable minus with balance BD of trade payable. Trade payable means credit supplier, plus with balance CD of the trade payable. We will get credit purchases. We get credit purchases. So how much is the payment? The payment is 3796. I go here, I write 3796 minus with the BD of the trade payable. How much is the BD of the trade payable? My BD trade payable is 311. So I go here, I write minus 311. Then you plus with the trade payable CD. My trade payable cafe supplier CD is 393. So I write here 393. 3796 minus 311 plus 393, I get 3878. That's my purchases. That's my purchases. So now opening inventory plus with the purchases, I get 4176. And this 4176 need to minus with my closing inventory. My closing inventory is 216. So I minus with 216. I will get the answer. The answer we write in A or B. Normally, we write in a B. But for this question, did you realize, do you have a cafe expenses? Yes, the cafe wages. We have cafe wages 1040. If you have a cafe wages, you need to plus with the cafe wages, right? So you need to write 3960 here. And this one will be plus with cafe expenses. And your cafe expenses that I have is cafe wages. Cafe wages is now 1040. So now 3960 plus with 1040, I'll get 5,000. 5,280 minus 5,000, I'll get 280. This 280 is my cafe profit. Cafe profit. Can or not? Okay, that's it. The last question is, that's it for income statement. The last question, list 5 items included in the receipt and payment account which not appear in the income and expenditure account. It means you receive the money, you pay the money. You receive the money or you pay the money, but it's not your income, it's not your expenses. What are the things that you receive money? You receive a money, okay? But it's not your income, it's not your expenses, okay? They are asking for the year ended 30th April 2017. It means you need to check here. Check here. Or you can check inside the receipt and payment also. You receive, but it's not your income. Can you tell me which are the things that you receive? It is inside here, but it's not your income. The first thing that I can see is balance BD. Balance BD is inside the receipt and payment, but it's not your income, it's not your expenses. Some more I can see is cafe supplier. Cafe supplier will go to the cafe income statement. Don't go to the income and expenditure. Cafe supplier and also cafe wages. Yes, I agree. Cafe wages is your expenses. I agree. Cafe wages is your expenses. But cafe wages will go where? Will go to the cafe income statement. It will go to the cafe income statement here. But the question asking which one will not appear in the income and expenditure account. So cafe wages, anything that related to cafe will go to the cafe income statement, not inside the income and expenditure. Understand now? Next one is, of course, the loan. Loan is your liability. Liabilities don't go to the income and expenditure. Acumen also don't go to the income and expenditure. And cafe sales, proceeds of the sales of Acumen. Balance CD. Okay, the question asking only for 5, but here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 things that is inside the income. It is inside the receipt and payment account, but don't go to income and expenditure account. So you can list down these 8 things. We're asking only 5. Just list down 5. Okay, that's it for this question. Thank you so much. Please love accounts. Accounts will love you back.